Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today let's just talk about how can we do layout setup inside AutoCAD. I have this model as you can see over here. Let me just erase this for now. Z enter, E enter. Now I just want to print this floor layout floor plan on the A4 or A3 size page. Right. For that I'll just click on the layout. Right, automatically it will just place that floor plan onto the this page right now. So now, for example, what you can do is just to do one thing. You have to either click on Control P or enter plot PLOT and hit enter. Same menu will pop up with you. From here you can just do the certain settings, and right now I'll just change the size. I'll change this to the Microsoft Print to PDF. I just want to convert these files into a PDF format, and then I'll just like the size. When I click A3 and this go for the preview, I think it's not better for me, and I have to go for the A4 size, right? Because the plan is not that much bigger that I can just place on the A3 size properly, right? So then number of copies you have to choose, and from here if you look in the properties you can just change it from here according to your desired value. And I think when I click apply to layout and I'll hit OK, and I just wanna be print and now this is safe with me, right? So this is simple that how can you create and do layout setup. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to the channel.